right, number 17. I see 4 pieces or 4 terms. That right away tells you factor it by grouping. Someone group and group. Out of the first group that I just did, the 2x cubed minus 5x squared, I'm going to see what I can factor out. 2 and 5 don't have anything, but there is an x squared that can be factored out. That'll leave behind a 2x minus 5. Now, what about 6x minus 15? There's a what? 3 can be factored out. Leaves behind a 2x minus 3 times a 5. Notice that they both have the 2x minus 5. So there's really, at this point, there's only 2 terms. There's this x squared times quantity 2x minus 5, and the other term plus 3 times quantity 2x minus 5. So you can factor out a 2x minus 5. So you take him out and him out. They both factor out front. And then what does it leave behind? It leaves you x squared plus 3. And I guarantee you the binomial 2x minus 5 times the binomial x squared plus 3 gives me all of that right there. Number 18. Again, 4 terms. So we're going to group and group. 10 and 5, a 5 can factor out. K to the third, k squared comes out. I'm left behind then with a 2k minus 1. Okay, 8k minus 4. I see a 4 comes out. Leaves behind, miraculously, a 2k minus 1. So I'm going to factor him and him out front. 2k minus 1. And then I'm left behind with what? 5k squared plus 4. Number 19, well, 4 pieces looks like a grouping, so group and group. 20 and 16, a 4 can factor out. B cubed, b squared. B squared's the most that can come out. We're left behind with a 5b minus 4 plus. Now here, 5b minus 4. Nothing factors out, but what number's really here? A 1. That's the biggest mistake I see with these. And you have 5b minus 4. So you pretty much just factored the number 1 out. We now have a 5b minus 4. We have it here and here, so we factor that out front. And the other piece will be a 4b squared. And this is why it's important that you have that 1 there. So it's a 4b squared plus 1 times that 5b quantity, 5b minus 4. Those 2 binomials multiplied will give you everything that you have in the top there on 19. Number 20. Group, group. Okay, again, a 3x squared comes out. I'm left behind with a 3x minus 1 plus, oh, nothing comes out. So I make sure I put that 1 out front. 3x minus 1. Scroll down a little touch. They both have 3x minus 1s. I'll put it in red as I have been. There it is and there it is. So I'll pull that out front. Oops. Let's go to blue. I'm left behind with what? A 3x squared plus 1. Okay, there we have through 20.